Blanchie having his breakfast. He had an upset tummy, so he gets rice and his dog food with it. Mommy made a mistake and gave him some steak. So we have to relieve his tummy now. He had chicken and rice. Now he gets, he had a few pieces of chicken because he gets a little agitated with chicken. So I put now his food in with his rice, and he seems to be doing much better. Go boy, eat boy. You like it, don't you? He loves anything that goes in the microwave. He thinks it's his treat. Oh, good boy. Eat some more. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Now you'll have a good movement when we go outside. Okay, good boy. I'm so proud of you. So if your doggies have any problems with vomiting or bad stool, chicken and rice, bland, no seasoning. Okay, have a good day. Talk to you later.